day. We're
And
in
it's
the
red
20s, clearly. Now, if you haven't got the memo, today is Pyjama Day. So I haven't. I put mine on from the start, but then I messaged Nikki and said I'm coming over in my pajamas, so put yours back on.
Yes.
Because I think we did say before when we were telling you about Vlogmas that we would have some pajama days, and
we haven't.
I have done that.
I haven't had one.
But yeah, so proper pajamas and Christmas jumper is like my perfect combo for this time of year.
Yeah.
And seeing as we're having a whole day of making and we're not really going anywhere, we thought, why not?
Yeah, why not?
So,
exactly.
So Nikki has very cleverly reminded me that we should do the advent nice and early so we remember.
Because we forget.
So today is number 20 and that's my day because it's an even
order than
here
me.
we are.
Never gets to all
number
that.
20 and let's see which trim we have today. Oh no, we have a seam ripper.
Lovely.
Now
Salmon time!
Salmon time! And we just thought we would share with you our secret ingredient because if you're following along, it's the Jamie Oliver Gravlax recipe, which if you just Google Jamie Oliver Gravlax, I can never remember how to spell it, but it's Gravad. Gravadlax.
Yes, and it's the one he has a couple, but it's the one with vodka.
Yes, so it's from his Christmas book, and yeah, the main ingredients are beetroot, grated raw beetroot, and horseradish, and then to that you add sugar and you add vodka and lemon zest, and we'll talk you through all of that. Yeah. But the secret ingredient is this. So you can get this in the Polish aisle at the supermarket, and this is pre-grated beetroot and horseradish. Now, we don't know if it's in the same ratios that the recipe calls for, but this is what I used when I did it a couple of years ago, and it turned out fantastic.
Yeah.
So save yourself getting the beetroot all over your fingers, and especially for people who are living in a country where beetroot isn't necessarily in season or isn't an ingredient that's readily available, then you might find that in your world food aisle. So picture the scene. Nikki turns out she doesn't have any vodka, so I go back over to my house, bearing in mind I am wearing pyjamas and a coat, and I'm walking back over carrying a bottle of vodka at 11 o'clock in the morning. And the road happens to be very busy, and I'm stood there for ages waiting to cross with my bottle of vodka in my pyjamas. People are probably looking at me thinking, life is going well for her. So we've got everything prepared and we're now ready to make our marinade, I guess it is, for the salmon. So in this bowl here, we have chopped up 2 packs of dill. So if dill comes in different quantities where you are, it was 2 25-gram bags of dill. So 50 grams in total. And this is to do 2 sides of salmon, so we're doubling everything up. We've also zested 2 lemons in there already as well.
It smells delicious.
It does. Lemon and dill is just a lovely combination, isn't it? And now to that, we're going to add 100 ml of vodka. So that would be 50 ml if you were just doing one side of salmon. We're adding 100 grams of demerara sugar, which again would just be 50 if you're doing one. And then we've got 200 grams of rock salt going in. So they're the main ingredients with the exception of what is in our jars. Ooh. So we're going to dump in both jars of this beetroot, and it's just going to be the most glorious colour. Might need a bit of help getting it out. Let me get a spoon. Look.
Wow.
So we're going to dump 2 of those in and mix it all up and see how it looks. And then
So do you think we need more?
I think we do. I think one more jar.
One more. Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to pop some of the mixture into the bottom before we lay the salmon down. So I'm not going to put much in, just enough to sort of give it a bed.
This is my one.
Yeah, well, I think what we'll do is we'll start with yours and then we can do mine off camera because it's just easier, I think, doing one at a time. Yeah.
Rachel's got, she's going to cut hers into 2 portions.
I'm being cautious because it leaked in my fridge last time, so I want it in Tupperware.
But this is a big, deep dish, it should be fine.
So let's grab some salmon. Put the big one in yours because that's a bigger dish. So
we may still need to cut it.
I think we might, but you'll have room for it to lay next to it. So
Maisie's going, I can smell fish. Is there fish, Maisie?
So let me just cut the end off of that.
Yeah.
Have you got any meat scissors or?
No, but those should be, those will be clean, yes. So.
Yeah, well, they won't be now, my salmon fingers.
No, but okay, I can wash them.
Just cut.
And this is deboned salmon. It has got the outside skin on it, but it is all deboned and everything.
Okay, put that over there. Open that bit out.
Do you see how I managed to pick up the camera and I let Rachel do all the mucky work?
It's gonna get mucky.
And your beautiful shiny nails.
I know.
So we've prepped them all now. So that's my one, because you just cut the end off, and then Rachel has trimmed hers into 2 pieces.
So I'm going to cover it now. Make sure that it's all over.
Look.
That lovely colour coming through already. And what it does is it turns the outside of the salmon to that hot pink colour, and it goes quite deep. I think I seem to remember it
It's virtually all the way through.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So
I can't tell you how delicious it was. I've been every Christmas since when she made it. I've been saying to her, "Are you making your salmon this year? Are you making your salmon this year?" And last year you didn't.
That's why we've made so much of it this year.
Yeah.
Because we just want to have loads of it.
Wrapped the salmon in lots of cling film. So this is how many layers, Rachel?
Oh, probably 4 or 5. But then you can see already that the beetroot is climbing up the sides of the cling film. And what I found happened last time is that in the 3 days it was in the fridge, it climbed up and over the top. Okay. So that's why we're being extra secure, because I didn't want to have to clean beetroot out of the bottom of your fridge this time.
Please don't.
But you can see that we've actually pushed the cling film down on top of the salmon, and that's because we need to weight it down. So this is Nikki's already done here, and she's weighted hers with some baking beans and some tins. You can see, look on yours, look, it's already
it's up, yeah.
Up over the side.
Yeah.
So now that's done, what we're going to do is wrap the whole thing.
Yes.
But yeah, I've got some rice on this one, and then with this one we've just taken some out of. Nikki has a ridiculous number of packets of brown rice.
My husband keeps buying brown rice, so I've got 4 packets of brown rice.
Let's do it that way around so the rice can't fall out at any point. So I'm just going to push those in there.
So they're now going to go in the fridge for 3 days.
3 days, yeah. I mean, the recipe does say 36 hours.
Yeah.
But last time I left it in for 3 days, so I figure it's not going to hurt to do the same.
So that's
I would be disappointed if I took it out early and it didn't taste as good as last time.
So Sunday morning, Saturday evening?
Yeah.
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 Well, we'll show you it then.
So salmon is all done, and now we are going to go in the sewing room and do pyjamas. Pyjama bottoms for the kids. Yay! So that's next on the list. This is all I'm asking for. Standing there outside my door.
Why did I pick stripy fabrics? Huh?
The shops wouldn't pattern match them.
No, but I am. All I want for Christmas is
What a thing of beauty.
What a beautiful thing that was. Thank you for sharing it, Rachel.
You're so welcome, darling.
Oh, if only you guys could be here as well. There, look. Say hello.
Hello.
That's better. out and about.
Yes, we've come to the other pub in the village, the Cross Hands.
Yes. To have some lunch.
But we are still in our pyjamas,
yes.
and we are getting some very strange looks from people who are wondering whether that's now the fashion for middle-aged mums, is to just go about in your pyjamas. But we're having a little lunchtime cheers.
Cheers.
Looking forward to my steak and kidney pudding.
Oh yes.
Oh.
Your phone's gone
Wi-Fi's
crazy.
worked.
Yes, you're having steak and kidney pudding, and I'm having steak and chips.
Yeah. Yum yum.
Hello everyone.
Hello. It's early evening. It's just come up to 6. We had a lovely day of crafting, as you saw.
Yes.
And a lovely pub lunch. But then after picking the kids up, I had to go into the shops, which was a horrible experience. I even got stopped by security.
Did you?
There was a tag on something that I bought.
Have you been nicking again?
And I hadn't noticed. And the security guard followed me down the escalator.
Did he?
And he was really sweet. And we found a tag on a pair of tracksuit bottoms that I'd bought. And so I said to him, can you run up and take it off for me, and I'll just wait here. And he did.
Oh, bless him.
So I just waited at the bottom whilst he sorted it out. But
I've jumped in the shower, hence I've got wet hair, so please apologise for that. I apologise for that.
I don't apologise for that. And we're enjoying one of our little gins, Christmas gin. And it's so good. It's getting better. It's getting better.
So nice. We're going to make one of these little festive Christmas trees, and it's made with buttons. You can see it's just a polystyrene like triangle shape.
It's going on one of these.
One of those, and we've got a little tub at the bottom. So we had 3 left. I've already got one that I made for class.
Yeah.
And I've made another one while Rachel was out, so we can have 2 each. So we're going to, because I thought they'd be nice either side of a windowsill, or either side of a fireplace or something. We need to find something to put on top of it. But a bow or a Christmas decoration or something.
When we did them in class, we had these big sparkly gold tree decorations that we popped in, so I'm sure I can
find something. There'll be something in my Christmas box.
Yeah, exactly.
So what you need is one of these trees, and you need some bridal pins. So just ordinary
ones with the white
head pins. And then a big tub of buttons.
Yeah, although you could use any pins, you could use any colour, it doesn't have to be white. We just, because we picked red, white and green buttons for the class, we just thought, well, we'll keep with the theme. But if you were going all different colours, then there's no reason why you couldn't just use any normal like plastic or glass head pins.
You need the ones with the balls on the end, just because some holes in buttons are bigger than others.
Yes.
So you can't use sort of dressmaker's pins, like the thin ones, the metal ones, because the buttons will just fall off.
Yes, so we're on a bit of a timer because I've just put a pasta bake in the oven over at my house, and I need to be back before it's ready. So I've got realistically about 30 minutes now. So it's going to be super fast.
Let's do it. So it's just a matter of picking some buttons and shoving them in.
Yeah, I think I'm
start at the bottom. Then start at the bottom and work our way up.
I'm going to start with some big ones, I think, because that will save me a bit of time.
Big ones are your friend.
Yeah.
Apparently. They just help cover some space. So starting on this bottom edge here.
That one's a bit too big.
And just working your way up.
To double up.
So, and you don't have to put 2 pins in each one, it can just be 1. But
I'm going to do 1 to start off with, and then I'll see how I'm doing for time.
I'm a 2-pin girl. But you can always take it home and put the extra pins in.
This one I have to do 2 because I'm doubling up the buttons. Because the first button that I picked
was a ginormous one.
The holes were too big. So, I'll just find some more big ones before I go any further. I've got a green one. I've got some that are big-ish.
I've got a big red one. So, we'll get on with that and then we'll show you at the end. Woo! That was a marathon.
Done!
Took us longer than we thought.
Done and done. Hold it a bit closer.
Mine's just waiting on its little tray.
So it went a little bit over. I now need to rush back. I had to phone the kids and ask them to take the dinner, to turn the oven off, because it should have come about 15 minutes ago. But it's not too bad. It's taken us 45 minutes.
Yeah. So not too bad, but they're done.
But if you've got some random buttons and some random polystyrene shapes, it doesn't have to be a tree. You can do like a wreath or something like that.
Imagine how long a wreath would take.
Yeah, it would take you a while. But it's fun. It's quite. You just switch off and stick.
Yeah.
You don't think about
I do have a wreath. I could make a wreath.
Got enough buttons.
Got enough buttons left. That's a show. Yeah, absolutely. Right. See you later, guys.